Hi all lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Karthika Nair, and in today's YouTube video I'm going to show what's in my makeup bag. So this is like a clear, transparent, travel sort of makeup bag, cosmetic bag you can say, and I got it from a mall in Qatar, and it's pretty basic as such, nothing fancy about it, and I can store my everyday makeup. Actually, this is the only makeup that I have. I need to buy more makeup because I'm a learner and I want to share my knowledge of makeup with you all, so I'll be purchasing more makeup in future, but till then this is the only makeup collection that I have. So I have a pretty bad cold too because of the changing weather here in Dubai. It's getting slightly cold, plus it's December too, so of course. So without any particular order, I'll be showing what all I have in my bag. So please don't expect this to be a proper order of how to do your makeup and all. This is just a random collection of what all I have in my makeup bag. So without much rambling and all, let's just get into this video. So before applying makeup, skin prep is really important. So I use these three products right here to do my skincare before applying any sort of makeup, foundation, all such things. This is the beauty of Jusson sunscreen that I use to apply like a moisturizer kind of layer on my skin. Then I use this small sample of Rivage eye contour gel that I got from a makeup exhibition to apply in my under eyes because my under eyes are really dry. So I make sure I apply this eye gel on my eyes so that I can really apply the concealer very well effortlessly without creasing. Next I use this primer. It's for normal to dry skin because in Dubai my skin is really dry and I don't know what to do about it. Like, of course I have to apply a lot of moisturizer to give that extra hydration to my skin. So I use this Maybelline New York Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth primer with vitamin E all over my face. This can really prep the skin well and apply the makeup pretty effortlessly. So next is the foundation. So foundation, I use this Lancome's foundation. It's my first luxurious purchase. Like, it was gifted to me by a relative. So it's really good. I love it. Its consistency, the way how it applies on my skin. It's a liquid foundation. Gives that good effect, that luxurious feel, which you can expect from a good high-end brand like Lancome. One of my favorite foundation that I have. I have only 2-3, but still this has to be the number one in ranking. So yeah. Now the next step is the concealer thing. I know some people apply concealer later too, but still I like to go with concealer only to apply my dark circles and all. This is this Rimmel concealer. I know its label has been smudged off because I use it that much. The major problem I feel with foundation concealers, I never find the right match for me. Even though I go to these counters at makeup stores, they don't really give the right foundation. So I'm really messed up with that section about the right shade that I had to find for my skin. I really need to find. I feel this concealer is pretty light for me. But still, I have bought this. I need to finish it, so I somehow manage it and use it, even though after a while it starts graying up and creases on my eyes. So pretty much I don't like this concealer that much, but still I use it, and once it finishes I will probably invest in a good high-end brand concealer. So till then I'll use this. Next step is of course powders. The next step has to be powder. I use this Maybelline's Fit Me loose powder. I'm in the shade medium. Sometimes I feel it's pretty dark on me. Sometimes I feel it's okay, the perfect shade. I really don't know. I need to learn about these things. But still, it gives a good finish. It gives that little airbrushed, smooth kind of finish without making my skin look too cakey. So I really like this product. And secondly, sometimes I'll feel like my skin is not doing well. It's having those breakouts and the marks. I really want to cover it well. So over foundation, what I will do, I'll apply powder foundation like this Fenty Beauty. This was also gifted to me by my relative. So you can see it's almost finished. I need to restock on it. I'm in the shade 220. and I really love this. It covers your skin really well, and on days when you don't want to use a foundation or such, you can just apply this powder foundation, you're done. It gives such a good finish. You know, good high-end makeup is really good, especially for your base products. So you should definitely invest in high-end products for your base makeup at least. So please do that. I really love this product so much. Next step has to be bronzer. This is a Makeup Revolution bronzer, and I don't contour. I don't know how to contour actually. But bronzer is pretty easy, nothing much to go wrong with that. And plus we have Indian skin, right? We don't need that bronzer on our skin, so I pretty much skip this step also most of the times. But sometimes if I want to feel extra glammed up, and sometimes if my foundation or concealer is very light, I'll try to use a bronzer shade like this. So yeah. Next is my favorite step, that is the blush. This is a Nykaa blush, and of course nothing much to say about it. It's good, it's pigmented and applies really well. I like powder blushes than cream blushes. Maybe because I haven't used a cream blush till now, but I like powder blush. I like powder products more because you can really blend in it really well, and I feel it sometimes suits my skin well. I don't know about other people, but still I like it. And I like this TikTok trends where they show how to apply a blush for a more sculpted look or for a more rounded effect. But I just do the normal technique. I just smile and apply my blush. That's how I do it. Next step is highlighters. So for highlighters, I have a cream product as well as a powder recommendation. No, what I have actually. This is the Makeup Revolution Excess, I guess the range name is. Its packaging is very nice. So this is a powder highlighter I have, and a cream highlighter like this. I mean, the packaging is so pretty, so cute. Actually, I fell in love with the packaging. That's why I thought of buying it. Plus, the shades are pretty good, you know. It's like really cool shades which I can use and experiment with. So, really love it. So for that glowy effect, it's really good to use a highlighter. So, I would recommend to you these two products too. Plus, this is what I have with me also. Next is for my eyes, to define my eyes really well. So I'll sometimes use this brown kajal on my eyes to give that coal eyes effect. Or if I don't feel like using a kajal, because sometimes I can get a very strong bold look, and I just feel a dark kajal can make your eyes look really small. So I prefer using like an eyeshadow or something to just smudge under my lower lash line to give that smoky effect. Then I use this Mars ka nude kajal to make my eyes look bigger. So this is a good trick to do. If you use a nude skin color liner under your waterline and all, it's really good to pop up your eyes. It brightens up your eyes really well. Next I use this Nykaa's gel liner to give that winged eye effect on days when I want to really glam up. And this Maybelline New York, the Falsies mascara for that good lashes, because I don't have lashes, because I always keep on picking them up, so I don't have that much lashes left in my eyes. Should be eyeshadows. I don't use eyeshadow on an everyday basis, so I have only one eyeshadow palette, that is this K-Beauty eyeshadow palette. I really love the shades. It's very pretty, like, you know, it has cute colors like pinky toned colors. I use this. Mostly I use this shade to use under my lower lash line and all. Other than that, sometime when I want to, glam up, I'll use this eyeshadow palette. That's it. Next is eyebrows. I use this PAX eyebrow palette. Has 4 shades, pretty good. And eyebrows really define your look. I love it. I have good eyebrows as such, so I don't need that much things or procedures to make my eyebrows look good. I just need a basic threading to make my eyebrows look good. So I'll just use brow powders. I prefer them because I don't really need to define or draw my eyebrows. So I'll use a brow powder. That's as simple as that. With a brush, done with it. Next is lip products. So I have done a detailed video on my lipstick collection in one of my old videos, and basically when I don't have to go that much places or have to go to a very nearby place, I'll use a tint like this. This is Essence lip tint. It's very easy. It even lasts for a long period of time, so I love using tints on an everyday basis. Then I have this lipsticks, basic lipsticks like this Color Bar or Nika or this Maybelline. I love it. The shade Saucy. So these are the lipsticks that I use on an everyday basis. I love nude shades or pink shades. I don't use reds. I really am pretty nervous to use reds in public places, so only for videos sometimes. And a lip liner like this as well to define the lips. I never used to use lip liner, but I now understood the importance of lip liner to really give a good outline to your lips, and it can even make your lips look plumper. So lip liner is definitely a very important essential in your daily makeup bag. In the end is this setting spray, this Essence setting spray. Actually, I don't really know how to use setting sprays that much. I mean, I don't know, am I using the right setting spray or not? I don't know, but whenever I use setting spray, my makeup starts to melt away, so I don't really know what to do about it. So if you know what to do about it, please help me and mention about it in the comment sections. So yeah, but still I like the setting spray because it will remove the excess makeup, like not the entire makeup, the powder particles and all, and make it look less cakey. So that's really good, but I need to learn how to use setting spray well. Oops, this was like a skincare essential, like a Vaseline's lip balm to really prep your lip before applying lipstick. Otherwise, because of concealer and foundation, all those things, your lips become really ashy and dry. So this is very good, very essential for a good base for your lips. I forgot to mention this. This was all I had in my makeup bag, and I may make additions or subtractions in my makeup bag in my future videos, but anyways, it's really compact, pretty good for travel and all. So yeah, this was all in my today's video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel, please. It would be such a big help from your side to me. So yeah, I love my makeup, I love my bag. Till then, bye.